Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen. Today I'm guiding you through yin yoga stretches for your feet and your ankles. I'll take you through a sequence that will help you to open up the tissue bundle at the sole of your foot. And when that tissue bundle becomes constricted, it can create tension through your ankles, through your calves, and all the way up your legs, even into your lower back. So let's get started by bringing the soles of our feet together to touch and just rock your knees up and down. Take a couple of breaths and take your thumbs and start to massage through the outer arches of the feet. Opening up that tissue a little bit and then working your way deeper towards the soles of the feet. And all the way up to the upper arch. Massaging a little through the tops of your feet. And that's just so we can become more aware and in tune with this part of the body that will be working to open up the roots of the body, the foundation of the body. We'll come into our first yin yoga stretch, coming into a posture that's affectionately known as toe breaker pose. So we'll come up off of the heels, tucking our toes. Widen through the toes and make sure that even your pinky toes are open and wide on the mat. Walk your palms to the tops of your thighs and then rest your hips down towards your heels. So you'll feel that this is quite an intense stretch. If you're feeling a little bit too much pressure through the feet, you can lean forward, shifting your weight slightly off of the heels and bringing your fingertips to the ground. Take a few breaths, but then try to come back into this posture. Rolling your shoulders up, back, and down. And resting your gaze in front of you. It's helpful also to close your eyes and bring your attention into your feet. So it's normal to feel a little bit of burning sensation, heat, as the soles of the feet open up. We won't hold here for too long. Probably feeling a little bit of stiffness through your ankles and all the way up through the calf muscles, the shin bones. Taking a few more breaths. If you're feeling anxious through the breath and the heart, just take deeper breaths in. And exhale. Let's interlace our fingers here, distracting ourselves a little bit. Press the palms forward, reach the palms up, and breathe. Few more breaths, we're almost there. A couple more breaths. Good, and then exhale, relax your hands, shift the weight of the body forward, untuck your toes, and tap out the tops of your feet. Okay, and you can feel that release probably all the way up the leg lines. And then we'll deepen that release through the leg lines by coming into a standing forward fold. Again, widen through your feet. Feel the four corners of the feet rooted, deep, deep bend through your knees so that the lower back is supported. If your lower back's too tight to hang forward, elbows to thighs, lift halfway up. And we'll take a few breaths here. Your feet are the foundation of the body, the roots of the body. And when they're tight, then the whole root system becomes closed off to the flow of energy. Taking a few breaths here. If it feels okay, you can hold opposite elbows. Relax your head. And feeling into the backs of the legs, lower back. And the more that you open the tissue bundle through the soles of the feet, the more that this back line of the body will start to loosen up and open up. We'll take a few more breaths. Bring our fingertips back to the ground. And then let's come back down to our knees, untucking the toes. And now we'll stretch open through the tops of the ankles and the tops of the feet. If you need a cushion, you can slide support underneath the sits bones, having some extra cushioning there. If it feels okay to rest the weight of the body onto your heels, just start there. Feeling the opening through the tops of the feet. Maybe walking your fingertips back behind you, leaning back. You can stay up on your fingertips or you can come down to your palms, being very mindful of your knees. So you don't want to feel any pressure through your knees. If you do, lift the hips slightly, slide a blanket underneath your hips. And if you're feeling fairly open here, you can even slightly lift your knees up off of the ground so that you're bringing some more massage and compression to the tops of the feet and ankles. Again, you shouldn't feel any pressure in your knees. Taking a few breaths. Relax your knees back down. Good, one more big breath. And then let's come all the way up. Shifting over to one hip, swing your legs around in front of you, shake them out. Take a yoga strap or even a scarf or a belt from home and come onto your back. Lower down. We'll keep both knees bent. Natural arc through the neck, base of the skull rested to the ground. And then take a hold of your strap. Hug your right knee towards your chest. Place the strap to the very top of the foot, to the ball of the foot, rather than the arch. And then slide your hands down the strap and reach your heel upwards to the sky. As the heel reaches up, you're curling your toes towards your chest, stretching out through the Achilles and the calf muscle. Taking a breath. Shoulders relaxed. And really sensing into the stretch with your breath and your awareness. So you're taking your mind and your attention to where you're feeling sensation. Maybe drawing the toes a little bit closer towards the chest. Walking your palms a little bit higher up the strap. And then exhale, relax the strap, bend your knee. And let's roll the ankle in a clockwise motion. Opening up through the ankle joint. And then counterclockwise. Flexing and pointing your feet. This is a great exercise to do before you go running, before any sport or exercise, and also afterwards. And then let's switch sides. We'll hug our left knee close, placing the strap around the ball of the foot, pressing up through the heel so that the thigh bone stays firmly connected into the hip socket, relaxing your shoulders, and noticing that web of tissue through the back of your leg. As you feel a sense of softening, you can draw the thigh a little bit closer to the body, maybe walking your hands up the strap. And then relaxing your strap, bending your left knee. And you can hold just behind the knee, taking those circles in both a clockwise and counterclockwise motion. Flexing and pointing your feet. And then hugging both knees to your chest, exhaling, rounding your spine. And let's come back up to sit. Just noticing how it feels to open up through the soles of your feet and through that whole root system. Big breath in and having a beautiful day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join me for some other yoga practices and also some meditations. Namaste.